What if I told you that in just a few weeks, you could walk outside, grab a crisp English cucumber, and toss it straight into your salad? No store, no plastic wrap, no guesswork. Most people either overwater, plant too early, or end up with bitter fruit. Today, you'll learn the simple, proven way to grow smooth, sweet English cucumbers from seed to your first spring harvest. Stick with me, because one small mistake at the start can cost you your entire crop, and I'll show you how to avoid it. Grow English cucumbers fast, seed to spring salad. English cucumbers are long, thin, and nearly seedless. They're also a bit pickier than regular cucumbers, so starting with the right variety matters. Look for greenhouse or burpless types. These are bred for smoother skin and better flavor. Simple truth, good seeds save you headaches later. Have you ever grown cucumbers before, or is this your first try? Read packets for growth habit, disease resistance, and time to maturity. Choose reputable, fresh seed lots. Some English cucumbers are parthenocarpic, meaning they set fruit without pollination. Great for greenhouses or low-bee areas. Look for those key words: English, greenhouse, and burpless. That careful choice up front leads to straighter, sweeter cucumbers later. Simple, deliberate choices now set the stage for success. Pick the variety that matches your space: greenhouse, patio, or open garden. Check the date. Fresh seed improves germination and uniformity. With seed sorted, you've built the foundation for flawless fruit. Long, thin, smooth, nearly seedless. That's the English cucumber you're after. Timing is everything. Cucumbers hate the cold. Plant too early and they sulk, or worse, they die. Start seeds indoors 3 to 4 weeks before your last frost, or sow directly outdoors once soil is warm, about 65 to 70 degrees. Use small pots with well-draining soil. Plant seeds about 1/2 inch deep. Keep soil moist, not soaked. Think damp sponge, not swamp. If your soil looks like a mud pie, your cucumbers are already planning their funeral. Cucumbers love warmth and light. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. If indoors, place near a bright window or use a grow light. Seedlings should appear in about 5 to 10 days. Once they sprout, keep them warm and avoid overwatering. Strong starts equal strong plants. Do your seedlings usually thrive or struggle? Be honest. Let the top layer dry slightly between waterings. If 2 seeds sprout, keep the stronger and snip the weaker at the soil line. That gives your future vine the resources to power ahead. Light, warmth, and just right moisture. Master those, and you've nailed the early game. Here's where many gardeners slip up. Before moving plants outside, harden them off. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over 5 to 7 days. Start with a couple hours of sunlight, then increase daily. Transplant when nights stay above 55 degrees. Space plants about 12 to 18 inches apart, or give them a trellis to climb. They love to climb, and honestly, it keeps your cucumbers cleaner and straighter. Transplant gently, keep the root ball intact, and water them in well. Begin guiding vines toward support early. Airflow prevents disease and speeds drying after rain. This careful transition prevents shock and sets the stage for vigorous growth. A little patience now saves weeks of recovery later. Your vines are ready to take off. Cucumbers grow fast and they drink like it. Water deeply 2 to 3 times per week. Keep soil consistently moist, especially during flowering and fruiting. Inconsistent watering leads to bitter cucumbers, and nobody wants that. One day dry, one day flooded. That's how you confuse a cucumber into tasting like regret. Feed with a balanced fertilizer every couple of weeks, or use compost. Mulch helps hold moisture and keeps roots cool. Adjust feeding if leaves pale or fruiting slows. Consistency with water and nutrients drives steady, fast growth. Get this right, and you'll see a wall of crisp, flavorful cucumbers in no time. Keep it even. Your taste buds will thank you. Some English cucumbers are parthenocarpic, meaning they don't need pollination. Others benefit from bees. If growing in a greenhouse or indoors, you may need to hand pollinate using a small brush. Watch for flowers, then tiny cucumbers forming behind them. That's when things get exciting. Have you ever hand-pollinated plants before? Gently dab pollen from a male flower to the female's center. Simple and effective. Soon that tiny ovary stretches into a slender cucumber. Parthenocarpic or well-pollinated reliable fruit set keeps your harvest on schedule. That's the proof your care is working. Don't wait too long. Harvest when cucumbers are about 10 to 12 inches long, firm, and deep green. Pick often to encourage more growth. The more you harvest, the more the plant produces. Regular harvest keeps vines cranking out fruit. Wash, slice, and enjoy fresh, crisp cucumbers straight from your garden. Add a little salt, maybe some vinegar, or toss into a simple salad. You'll taste the difference immediately. Fresh isn't just better, it's on a completely different level. First, start with the right seeds. Second, keep them warm and give them steady water. Third, support their growth with proper spacing or a trellis. Fourth, harvest at the right time. Start with the easiest step for fast results. Plant a few seeds in warm soil and keep it consistently moist. Bonus tip, add mulch to steady moisture and cut down on weeds. Growing your own food isn't complicated. It just takes a little consistency and attention. Remember, we are all just playing in the dirt.